Hey, today I've got two cool updates for you. Do you struggle to keep up with the layers panel, trying to find the right layer or keyframe to edit? Introducing the Active Layers panel. It shows all your animated layers in one place. Just click a layer and it's automatically set as active in the viewport. It's faster, easier, and helps you get back to work quickly. And by the way, this animation you are seeing? Yes, it's made with PureAnim App. Let me show you how the new Active Layers panel works. I'll search for the layer I want to revisit. Click and done. I've got immediate access to all its properties and can jump straight back into editing. The second update. You can now export your entire project, animations, SVG files, everything as a single JSON file. And here's the best part. You can re-upload this file anytime to restore your project exactly as it was, with all your animations and vector graphics perfectly in place. No more worrying about losing progress. If you like these updates, drop a like and upvote on Product Hunt. And don't forget to click the feedback button to vote for the next feature you want to see. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.